All right, so here is the table. So this is the customer registration database. We have just 10 records. So this customer registration database is a database for a company, and in this you have the customer ID, you have the full name, you have the email address of the customer, you have their phone numbers, you have the states where they are located, then you can also find the products that they purchase, right? So this is a comprehensive customer registration database for a supermarket, right? Or for a company. Now let's see the exercises we are asked to do. So we are going to convert exercise 1. We are to convert names to proper case using proper. Exercise 2, we are to convert the emails to lowercase using lower. Exercise 3, we are to convert the states to proper case using proper. And then exercise 4, we'll count the characters in names using the len function. All right, so then exercise 5, we are extracting phone prefix using left. And then exercise 6, we are extracting last 4 digits using right. So let's go forth and attend to these exercises. All right, exercise 1, we are asked to convert the names to proper case. Now, I want you to take a look at this full name column. You can see that there are several errors in these names. For instance, when you look at Samuel Nnamani, all the names are in small letters. You come to Esther Grace, all the names are in capital case. David Peter, small case. Grace Emmanuel, small case. And then you can find Ruth Daniel. Ruth Daniel is in proper case, right? So this is a messy column in the sense that the names are inconsistent. All right, so one of the things you are going to do is to clean up the names. How do we do that? So we'll create a new column here, and then we'll call this full name, and then we'll give this full name too. Now using the proper case, we'll say equal to proper So the proper function takes in only one parameter, right? So, and we are going to select this B2. We'll close and enter. Beautiful. So you can see it has made the names to be in proper case. So what we do is to use the fill and do this way, and you double click. So you can see that this is the proper case, and it has actually removed this error. Now we want to look at the states. All right, so for the state, you can see Lagos is in small case, Abuja is in capital case, Rivers in small case, Enugu in capital case, as the case may be. So we would come here and put this as states 2. All right, so we'll say equal to, so we are still using the proper case. All right, so the proper case means the first letter in each word will be converted to uppercase, and then every other letter is converted to lowercase. Now for the proper, we'll pick Lagos E2, we'll close and then enter. Beautiful. So you can see Lagos has been standardized. So double click, so you can see the states 2 is the standardized form of the locations.